Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, I'll talk about the affiliate program of Canva. So let me take you to the website, which is canva.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including presentations, posters, social media graphics, and more. It provides an easy-to-use interface with drag and drop functionality and a vast library of templates, images, illustration, and fonts to help users create professional-looking design without the need for advanced design skills. They are popular among individuals, businesses, and organizations who are creating various types of visual content for both online and offline use. So, if you want to create something for yourself, for your company, for your channel, for your website, then Canva is for you. You can come to the website, go to plans and pricing section and see which one is best suited for you and get yourself a Canva account. There is a free option available to you. But unless you want to use Canva, that's a different story. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Canva. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to become part of Canva as an affiliate, and we should start promoting them to our audience. And when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission out of it. Wouldn't that be amazing? That is. So the question arises, who can join the affiliate program of Canva? Regardless of your country, you can be part of Canva as an affiliate. I didn't find any restrictions at all. Where can you promote them? To the audience of which country can you promote them? Wherever Canva is available, in whatever country they're available, you can start promoting them to the audience of that country. Should totally be fine. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page on Canva's website, and you have to click on affiliate program. When you do that, it will take you to the affiliate program page, and here you will see some very important details. The first information here is that they are making some changes to the affiliate program, and we shall learn more about that. And in case if you have any question, this is the email address to reach out to them. Now, to have more information, you can click on here, which will take you to this page. Here you can see apply to become an Empower Canvassador. So now they call the affiliates as Canvassador. So you can apply to become one. And if you scroll down, you can see what is Empower Canvassador program. So it's basically same as affiliate program, just they're calling it as Empower Canvassador program. Now, if you scroll down, you can see who makes a great Empower Canvassador. So they are looking for community members who consistently create engaging social media content and tutorials around Canva's product and features. So they're basically looking for those kind of affiliates who would be interesting or who have been creating tutorials on their product. So they got amazing designs and everything. So if you're one of those, if you're creating content around the product, then you could be a good Canvassador for them, and they would love to have you as part of the program. Now, if you scroll down, you can see which platforms are they currently working with. So they're currently collaborating with community members who create content on these social platforms. So it's Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. So long as you have been creating content on Canva, on any of these platforms, you can apply to be an affiliate or rather Canvassador with them, and they will add more channels as well, but for now these are the social platforms. So what about website or blog? What if you only have website or blog? Unfortunately, they are not looking for affiliates with website or blog. Usually we have been seeing that brands look out for publishers or rather affiliates with websites or blog, but in Canva's case, they're only looking for content creator on these platform. You can still become one if you like. Just have to create videos surrounding Canva's product and then apply to be part of their Canvassador program. Now, if you scroll down, you can see what are the requirements. So live the Canva values, be an independent creator, not a brand or agency. So they're looking for individuals out there, not a brand or rather agency. They require an active and engaged social media audience. That means if you plan to promote them somewhere, you should have active audience over there. Commit to creating and publishing at least one piece of Canva related tutorial or feature per month on one of these specified platforms. Now, you just have to create one of such tutorial. That's the minimum requirement. Agree to abide and follow their branding and NDA guidelines, and then you are in compliance with Canva's trademark policy. So click on it and read through it as well. Now, if you scroll down, what are some of the perks of joining? So these are the perks, as you can see. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that there's a note, be sure to include as much information. So you have to fill up the form and you have to fill in all the details. And then it's also asked that once you've submitted it, you have to allow them 6 to 8 weeks for the response. So yeah, I know it's a lot of time, but they get a lot of application. That's why you have to wait for it. So to apply to them, you can click on apply now, which will take you to this application form, and you can read all these questions. These are basically the same questions that we have read in here, the questions and answers. And if you scroll down, you will see this form. But before you start filling this form, I'll show you something else here as well, the impact ID. So they're asking here, do you have or have had an affiliate impact ID? If so, please share your impact ID in here. So to my understanding, it seems like that when you get approved from them, you have to promote them through Impact platform. Now, what is an Impact platform? Let me take you to the website, which is impact.com. Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network work as a mediator between affiliates and brands. So in your case, if you want to be a part of Canva ambassador program, assuming that you get approved and you want to promote them, then you should have an account with Impact as well. And that's why they're asking for your Impact ID. So to create yourself an Impact affiliate account, if you already have one, that's good. But if you don't, it's pretty simple. You can click on request a demo, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go to for creator, influencers, and publishers. Now, you don't see affiliates here. And the reason why you don't see it is because Impact calls affiliates as publishers. So you can simply click on sign up as a partner and complete the registration form. This way you can get an affiliate account rather than publisher account with Impact, and you would also get an ID for yourself. Now, I know there are many nuances that are involved when creating or registering for an affiliate account. So don't worry, I got you covered. I had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. You'll find the link in the video description. Just click on the link, watch the instructions and follow it so that you can get yourself an affiliate account with Impact. Once you got yourself an account, you will get an ID, and that's when you can actually come to this form and start filling up the details. So in the details, let's start from here. I'm gonna fill up all the details one at a time so that it will be helpful to you while you're filling up your details. Now, other than that, all the information that I'm going to write here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, whatever information you're writing, it should be accurate because it's super important. They will see all the information you have given, and if you have given anything wrong, it's possible that they might not give you the approval. So I'm going to go with my name. Let's assume it's John. Last name is LNU. In your case, you can write your first name and last name. Email address associated with your Canva account. Now, this should be an email address I would highly recommend. This email address should be associated with your Canva account and as well as your Impact account. So I'm going to enter my email address in here. Then which country do you live in? So you can select your country. I'm just going to go with my country. Which city do you live in? So you can select your city in here. Then comes what Canva communities are you currently part of? So you can select here and you can go with the one that suits you most. And if you're not part of any of these communities, then you can go with other community. And thereafter, you see which community manager referred to you to sign up to become a Canva ambassador. So you can select here and you can go with the community manager. Now, if no community manager reached out to you and you found this video or you were searching for this video, you can try to select this blank, but see, nothing would happen. So it's better just to go with the first option, because if you try to click on please select, it won't even work. So you can go with the very first option because there's no way to bypass it. Now, then the thing here is familiarize yourself with Canva's trademark policy. Click here, read through the policy, and then tick mark this accordingly. I've read Canva's trademark policy, tick mark, then I am not breaking any of Canva's trademark policy. Just ensure you're not breaking, and then click on I agree. I do not own any URLs with Canva in the domain name. Let's ensure that's the case, and then click on I agree. I acknowledge that my social media handles and other profiles are in compliance with Canva's trademark policy, and then click on I agree too. Just ensure that you are abiding by all these trademark policies. Then share some of your content with them. So do you currently create content about Canva's product and feature? If yes, select that, otherwise go with the no. But let's say I tick mark yes, then please link us to a recent Canva tutorial. So you have to give the link of the tutorial, because you must be creating Canva tutorials for them. So I'll just give some test URL. In your case as well, you can give some test, not the test URL, but the actual URL, because they will see whether you have been posting the Canva tutorials over there or not. Maybe give three, or see, these are required. You see the asterisk sign. So you should give at least two tutorial URLs, and third is just an optional one. Then share your social profiles with them. So here you have to give your impact ID. It's very important. Just for the educational purpose, I'm going to give my impact ID as this, but in your case, whatever your impact ID is, give it that. Are you a Canva creator? Please share your profile page URL here. If that's the case, give your creator profile URL. If that's not the case, then wherever you plan to promote them, or wherever you have been creating their tutorials on, just put the URL for that specific social media account of yours. So let's say that I plan to promote them, or I have been creating videos for them on my YouTube channel, so I can give my YouTube channel. But what if I have been promoting them or creating videos for them on my YouTube channel, and as well as my Facebook page URL? I can give both. So you have an option to give more than one. If you scroll down, you'll see here, they would love to learn a little bit more about you. So what is your current background in content creation tutorial? Now here, don't be shy and give as much information as you can, because this is what's going to help you getting the approval from them as well. In my case, I'm going to put in some dummy takes, but in your case, do something very meaningful. Then comes what are some of your current favorite Canva tools. So whatever your current favorite Canva tools are, you can mention about them. And then what would you consider yourself a subject matter experts? And that's also good. So you can specify that. Again, I'm going to go with dummy text. Then the fourth question is, please share why you would make a great Empower Canvassador. So you can write the why. They would be love to have you. So I'm again gonna go with dummy text, but in your case, ensure you write all the meaningful details. Then you can read this, you can read privacy policy, and you can read this, and you can agree to canva.com to store process your personal data. You can also agree to receive other communications from Canva, and then click on submit. So when you do that, you will see this message. Thank you for your interest. You should receive a response within 6 to 8 weeks. And you will also receive an email. As you can see, this is the email. And if you open the email, you'll see the same thing. So you can wait for them to give you the approval. Now, let's say you got the approval. How would you know? You will be notified by an email. Once you got the approval, you can log into your impact.com affiliate account. Just come to the website, click on sign in, which will take you to the login page. Enter your username and password. Then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, you could call it affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with other brands as well. But in our case, we're only talking about Canva affiliate program. So how do you check whether you have been approved or not? For that, you can hover over brands and click on brands. Just click on my brands, which will take you to the section. Over here, you would be see your approved brand, including Canva, assuming you get the approval from them. Now you see them here, then what can you do? Then you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can just take any link from their website and promote them. No, you have to use your tracking link. And how do you get your tracking link? For that, you can come to your homepage of Canva, and over here you see create and share link, and select Canva from here, from your approved brand, and put any link that you want to turn into tracking link, and just copy it and start promoting them. That's how you can create tracking link. Now, the question arises, where can you promote them? Or basically, how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is you could promote them on your YouTube channel, assuming wherever you're promoting them, you must have given the URL for that platform or your account in the registration form. Now, you could promote them on your YouTube channel, maybe create tutorials for them, and in the description, just put the tracking link for Canva. That's one way. way. Facebook, you could create quick reels, or you could create videos as well. Facebook could be amazing too. You can even post about different tutorials on Canva that you must have created on other platforms. Then comes Instagram. So again, on Instagram, you can create quick videos or reels, and it could work in your favor too. People that love seeing this kind of tutorials on these platforms. So using this platform from Canva would be amazing. And in the description, you can put your tracking links. So this way, when users, the audience would click on those tracking links and buy subscriptions on Canva, you will end up getting commission out of it. So let's say you start promoting Canva and you started bringing sales to them, but would you see your performance? So for that, you can come to your impact account once again, and over here you can go to reports and run the reports, and this is where you would see your performance. Now, what about the payment? How would you receive the payment? So you will receive the payment from impact. So whatever sales you will bring to Canva, they will give the commission to impact, and you will get it from impact. So you have to ensure you have updated your payment details properly. For that, you can click on these three dots. You can go to settings, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till bank account section and update your banking details so that you can get a payment via electronic fund transfer. So this is how you can get the commission from impact for all the sales that you have brought to Canva. So this is how you can apply to be part of Canva affiliate program, or rather call Empower Canvasador. So you apply to them, you get approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and help you learning more about the affiliate program of Canva, or rather the Empower Canvasador program of Canva. And for me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.